Okay, so in this video we're going to install a new 0.1 inner barrel and a new hop-up rubber in my Tokyo Marui Mk23 Socom. Now the hot rubber can be the same used as for a VSR, so this is using the Firefly hot rubber, and this is the Firefly 6.01 inner barrel as well. So let's get started. First thing, take out the mag of the gun, and we need to take the top slide off the gun, so we hold it back until the little notch here matches up with the bit there, and then we can push through on this side the pin, and we can pull the safety block out if I had some nails. This is where, there we go. Cool. Push the forward and up and off. And then we need to pull this inner barrel section out here by pulling it down and then up and out like that. And on here there are 3 screws that we need to undo to access everything. The first one is here, and then the second 2 are one there and then one there. So we just need to take this spring ejection cover off here, and to do that we simply need to push it down and then pull at the side and then unclip it off like so. I'm just going to put that over there, and then we've got this spring on top here. I'm just going to take that out and put that on the side there as well, so we've got them things out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to undo this screw at the front. Take that screw out, put it over there, and then we need to pull this front piece off the back. It may require a little bit of a wiggle. This is the first time I've done it, so it's a little bit difficult. I'm just going to use a smaller screwdriver just to get in there and slowly wedge it off like that. Cool, that was a little bit stiffer than I thought it would be, but that will eventually wiggle off and pull off. So we'll just put that to the side there as well. And the next step is these 2 screws here, so we'll undo these. And once they're undone, we can split the unit apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to gradually push these 2 prongs away from each other to take off the top of the unit. If we just flip things over, we've got our inner barrel on hot rubber and then the dial here. So take this out gently. We're going to replace this with the new piece. Cool. There we go. So we've now got our 6.01 barrel and new Firefly hot rubber, and we're going to place that back into here. So went in like so. Just make sure this is lined up correctly. Yep. Put this back. And obviously the hot rubber notch goes in there, keeps it in line. Alright, so now we basically need to put the screws back together. Just going to check, make sure the hop adjustment works still. Yep, that's all good. Put the last screw in. Slide the front barrel bit back on again. There we go. Put that screw through. Now we need to put this top ejection cover back on again, so we'll put the spring back into its place, and then we'll clip that back on. And we can put everything back together in the slide again. So we'll put that down like that. And there we go. That's how you change the inner barrel on hot rubber on your Tokyo Marui Mk23 Socom.